This video is on Philips Avent sterilizer how to use, and I also share our Avent sterilizer review. I have an Philips Avent 3-in-1 electric steam sterilizer, which is virtually the same as Avent sterilizer 4-in-1 except missing this dishwasher basket and a little fancier lights. Philips Avent sterilizer and dryer is one of the best options for your baby products to get sterilized with the steam and without using any chemicals. Alright, let's see how to use Avent sterilizer for baby bottles, and we start right now. Let's briefly review the parts. You have this lid and this upper rack. You can put nipples and rings. It has these handles on top as well. You also have this deeper one that can hold taller items like bottles and plates. This piece is a hot plate with a heating element that generates steam. Then the steam goes through different chambers, which I will cover in a second. The hot steam will sterilize anything inside. Within about 6 minutes, it kills 99.9% of germs without using any chemicals. Just remember that it becomes pretty hot during the sterilization. Let's do a temperature measurement on the surface of the sterilizer, almost 140 F or 60 degrees C. This also has an auto shut off when the sterilization is finished. So, can you use Avent sterilizer with other bottles? While Avent of course loves it if you buy their bottles, this sterilizer is not just for Avent bottles. So long as you can fit them, you should be good with generally any other brands and product. I realized Dr. Brown's 8-ounce bottles are too tall for these. Honestly, not a surprise as those bottles are more than 9 inches tall. So what is a 3-in-1 sterilizer? The Philips Avent electric sterilizer has 3 sizes or configuration. That's why it is called 3-in-1. There is also Avent sterilizer 4-in-1. It is virtually the same thing plus this dishwasher basket and a little fancier light. You can use the dishwasher basket for easier pre-cleaning or a smaller item. I personally would not pay extra for that, but you have the option. Now let's cover the 3 sizes. First is the small size. It is used to sterilize small items such as saucer, small bottles, and bottle nipples. Second is the medium size. This can be used to sterilize toddler plate or breast pump, knives, spoon, and forks when you start the solid food. Last is the tall size for sterilizing about 6 bottles and other accessories. Let's see how to use Philips Avent sterilizer. The first step of sterilizing item is to wash the bottle in warm and soapy water and rinse them before putting them in the sterilizer. A common question: how much water do I put in the Avent sterilizer? As the second step, put 100 ml or 3.4 ounces of fresh or clean water into the base of the Avent sterilizer. Or you can just fill it up until it gets to the edge and there's a little max mark. Now it is ready to load. Put all your items in like this. Put the lid on. Press this button. You will see a red light on the below part of the electric sterilizer indicating that the process of sterilizing is ongoing and your product or items are being sterilized. You will see that the red light gets automatically off, indicating that the machine is turned off and the process is complete. Don't just open the sterilizer as it's pretty hot. Give it a few minutes to cool down a little. Also, make sure to wash your hand before taking the item from the sterilizer. Another common question: how long do the baby bottles stay sterile after sterilizing? According to Philips, when your baby's bottle and feeding things are sterilized, you can store them inside so they remain sterile for up to 24 hours if the lid is not opened. My Philips Avent sterilizer review is overall positive. The process is easy and takes less than 10 minutes. It also does not use any chemicals. The price is not too bad. I put a link below for you to check the current pricing. My main issue with this sterilizer is these stupid turn on buttons. The switch is basically one push and then this is it. There is no cancel or turn off function. So if you accidentally pushed it, the next time you plug it in, it is automatically going to start. I wish they made the machine a little smarter, hence I strongly recommend unplugging this when you're not using this machine. Philips also have a microwave sterilizer which is fairly popular. I have another video that covers that as well as an Avent sterilizer comparison, microwave or electric. Please check them out. I put a link here and also in the description below. This video is not sponsored and I also spent lots of time making and editing this video. If you got value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button or even better by leaving a short or one word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching. Check out these other videos from us and you have a good one. Thank you. It is very helpful with the